Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm here with the baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Where you going? Hey. Why are you staring at me? Yeah, you're playing with the toy. Why? What is that? It's scary.
Do any of you know Captain Snowball?
No!
Yes, we do. And here we go.
That's Secret Life of Pets too.
My name is Daisy, and I really gotta talk to him. A poor, defenseless animal needs safety.
Yeah.
Are you saying?
Yeah, ring. Donut!
I need Captain Snowball for it.
No, it's disgusting.
Alright, well, I gotta go. But nice meeting you. What was it again?
Dang it! It's a baby's toy. Darn you! Just press the button. Get out of here! Stupid dog! That was nasty. Ew. Why? Why are you staring at me? Stop staring at me! Stare at this monkey. What do you want to turn on? Okay, now it's on. Yeah. What are you doing?